This is Yazan, and now we still talking about project phase 3. And now the second requirement, which is histograms of 2 or more of your variables, and additional histogram for a variable that you have derived from the previous ones. Okay, going back to my data. So let's call this pi. What I'm gonna do is you're gonna pick all your countries, but not all indicators. So in this case, I'm only gonna pick 2 indicators. This is just to show you how to do it. You can pick more. So make sure this make sure that filters are on, and then I will pick food production and livestock, for example. You can pick any other 2 variables and then derive something that makes sense of it. Well, I will first pick food production, okay, and take it for 2010. Copy this and put it in a different worksheet. I have countries, and I have here, I'll just rename this 2010 food production. And then I will pick livestock. Same thing, copy those 2 columns, go to the new sheet, paste it here, and I should only pick the data. Okay. I don't want this, so I will rename this part 2010 livestock. So we have the food production of the livestock, and then I want to create another 3rd variable. I want to call this variable food production over livestock, and I would assume that the ratio would be 1.0. It might not be, so we're trying to figure it out. And now here, you just taking the first part, divide it over the second, and then you autofill. Okay, going to the top. So I have 2 variables, and I have the 3rd one, which is the derived one. So I would call this sheet hist or derived data. And from this, I want to insert a pivot table. Yeah, we want it on a new worksheet. We don't want to put too much in one worksheet. Okay. Yes, new worksheet. And I want to put food production in the row, and then country in the column. Group this the same as we did in the previous phase. And I want to from 0 to 30, and 1 by 20s. Doesn't look that good. Let's group them again. Okay, I want to start from 40, and then by 10s. Okay, looks better. So what is this? This is the food production. Awesome. Then we want to insert this here. We'll insert another pivot table. Okay, insert pivot table and an existing worksheet, and the location I want it to be here. Hit OK. Awesome. Same thing, but I want to do that for the livestock. Make sure that when you group, the grouping should be the same. So from 140 to 230, and I'm doing this. Did we do it by 10 for the first one? Let's see. Group 40 to 230. Yep. Good. So let's copy this. I'll put it here. And we have to say that we're missing one down here. Okay, so below 40 there's only one. From 220 to 230 we don't have any in this one. Okay, then copy this. I'm going to put it here. Oh, data is actually should be shifted because our data, below 40, well this is true, below 40, now this is right, it was right. What am I missing here? Oh, okay, so 160, 170, then blanks to 200 to 10. Okay, so 210, let's make sure that we have included everything. Okay, now I don't like this at all, so let's clear this. So I want to regroup this. I want to group it between, so since we have gap after the 170, I want only to start from 40 to 170, then have two bins, one for below 40 and one for above 170. So 40 to 170, grouping by 10, now it looks better. And we do it again here, 40 to 170 and group by 10. Okay. So now they look exactly the same. Awesome. Copy this, put it here, copy this, put it here. Oh, we did not change the label. So this is livestock. Okay. Copy it, put it here and paste it. Awesome. And then I would just use these to insert, to make a histogram. And you know the rest, you just right click and eliminate the gaps and the overlap to make a histogram. Okay, what about the derived one? So that was the first part. Obviously tell you that you have to make histograms for the existing variables, then the new variable. So this is my new variable, right? I want to insert another pivot table. I'll put it over here. And I want the food production over livestock and the number of countries. So this is a ratio, right? So let's make it look nice. Cannot group, maybe because I have empty stuff here missing? No, actually. Actually, yes, I do have. I have a country here, but since I have 151 countries, it's fine. there's a division over 0 error. So you have to make sure in your derived data you don't do that. Oh, this is it. Libya is missing over here, so I have to take this off. But I'm fine. I had 151 countries, but now I have 150 because the first row is a label and this is 151. So I have 150 countries. I am good. So to make sure that this will be reflected here, just refresh. And now it refreshed the data. Now we can simply go and group this. So from 0.3 up to 1.8. Do this by 0.1. Something happened here. No, it looks fine. Oh, those changed, right? Yeah, since I refreshed the data. Okay, let's group these guys. We said from 40 to 170. Okay. And here, group from 40 to 170. Okay. Everything back to normal, everything back to normal. So now I have the derived value here, which is, this is food production over livestock. Okay? And then you simply insert column chart and change it to a histogram. So this histogram, they include the two variables, the original two variables into one histogram, and then the derived variable here in another histogram. Make sure to change the title, the gaps, and so on. You know how to take it from here. I'll call this histogram.